Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Sarfaraz Virtual Academy. Today we are going to solve very nice math Olympiad question of International Math Olympiad. So we have the equation that x power y is equals to y power x. We have to prove that x power y is equals to y power x. So let's start the solution. So first of all we write the solution. Let's suppose that we considered y is equals to kx, and we consider that k is a constant number which is not equal to 0 and could be 1 comma 2 comma 3 and up to the mark. So let's start with the solution. So we will substitute that x, that we will place kx at the place of y, so that will be whole power kx is equals to kx whole power x. Here we multiply 1 upon 2 power on both sides. So we will simply k power k into x whole power 1 upon 2 and k power x kx into k power x whole power 1 upon 2. Here we use a formula which is very common formula, as we know that there is a general form that a power m whole power n could be equal to a power mn, and we want to rearrange this formula is like that a power n is whole power m. This can be also written like that. So we generally rearrange this formula is, so we can generally that x power k x upon 2 is equals to k x and x upon 2. So we will again multiply power 2 over x on both sides. We again multiply power 2 over x on both sides, so we will x power k x divided by 2 2 divided by x is equals to kx x power 2 into 2 power x. Here x will be cancel out and 2 will be also cancel out. Here the same, that x and 2 will be cancel out. So we formula we have, finally we have x power k is equals to kx. So again we divide x on both sides for getting the value of k. So we simply divide x on both sides, so it will become x power k divided by x is equals to kx over x. Here we simply eliminate x from the x, so the equation becomes x power k divided by x is equals to k. So we have, again we use a general formula which is like that if we divide a power m with that a power n, so simply we can rewrite a power m minus n. So we use this formula here to substitute or to solve it more quickly. So we will substitute that x k, and when x power minus 1 is equals to k. We have said that if the bases are same, power will be added, so it will be x k minus 1 is equals to k. Again we are going to multiply 1 upon k minus 1 power on both sides. So here we k minus 1 multiplying again k minus 1 on both side power, so k 1 upon k minus 1. So simply k minus 1 k minus will be cancel out, so here will be only the value of x. So again this k over 1 k minus 1, so this is the value of x, that x is equals to k power 1 over k minus 1. So we have to find also the value of y. Then Then we can simply say then y is equals to kx. We have supposed that y is equals to kx. Now we have to substitute the value of x in the equation y is equals to kx. So it will become that y is equals to k into k power 1 power k minus 1. So as we have already said, if the powers, as I have already discussed, that if the bases are same, then power will be added. So it will look like that k power 1 and k power 1 minus k minus 1. So if the bases are same, powers will be added. So it will become k 1 plus 1 upon k minus 1. Here we will take LCM from the power. So it will look like that k power minus 1, k minus 1 and the plus 1. Here minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel out. So we have finally the value of y, that k whole power k over k minus 1. So this is the value of y. Now we have to prove that x power y is equals to y power x. So for proving that, we should need a number. So if we take k is equals to 3, if we think that k is equals to 3, so when k is equals to 3, then x is equals to, we have considered that k power 1 power k minus 1. So we have to substitute 3 at the place of k. So k could be that x is equals to 3 1 upon 3 minus 1. So we substitute the value of k. So x is equals to 3 and 1, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. As we know that 1 upon 2 is equals to under root, so we simply said x is equals to under root 3. So this is the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. And again we can take k is equals to 3. And we have considered the y is equals to k power k over k minus 1. So we have to place 3 at the place of k. So we put y is equals to 3 upon 3 minus 1. So here we can say that y is equals to 3 and and 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Here we again see that if we resolve this power like that y is equals to 3 power 3 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 be considered as the under root. So value of y will be equals to under root 3 whole power cube. So this is the value of y. Now we have to find that x, prove that x power y is equals to y power x. So we have considered x as under root 3 and the value of y is equals to under root 3 whole power cube is equals to an under root 3 whole power cube and under root 3. So this is the value of x and y. So we can simplify that under root 3, and we can say that under root 3 could be written as under root 1 upon 2 and this could be a power 3. So here is also equals to it, this under root 3 whole power 3 and would be 3 power 1 upon 2. So here simply can say that this 1 multiply with this 3 and here this 3 multiply by also 3. So 1. So we have under root 3 power 3 upon 2 and again we have under root 3 power 2. From here can we see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that has been proved that x power y can be equal to y power x. So if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for further interesting and challenging videos. Thank you.